Today we are cooking Sunday dinner with Vanessa Michelle, and today we're making Mississippi pot roast, green beans, and brownie pudding. So if you want the details, keep watching. Here I have my freshly cleaned and prepared roast. Yes, I do clean my meat. I don't be wanting all that blood and stuff all over. So I clean my meat, and then now I am just adding salt and pepper to each side of the roast so that it'll have a nice flavor as I am pan searing it in my cast iron. Here's my cast iron with a little bit of avocado oil, and I'm just gonna let that warm up, and then we're gonna put the roast in and let that brown on each side. While that's browning, we are adding our chopped mushrooms, carrots, onions, potatoes, and celery to my baking dish. And then we're also adding our seasonings. I will have the list of seasonings down below. I did put 3 bay leaves, and then I also have my own little mix of seasonings. And then I do 1 packet of onion mix and 1 packet of ranch seasoning. I do half on the vegetables before putting the roast in, and the other half on top of the roast. And then I also added some chopped banana peppers too. So this is so delicious. I will say, when you get ready to add in your full carton of beef stock, get the beef stock that is low sodium, because the onion mix and the ranch seasoning are really high in sodium. So you don't want your roast to be too salty if you are really concerned about that. Also, you can add about a cup of water too. As it was cooking in the oven, I did add some water throughout, and you could cook the roast at 385 for about 4 hours, covered up, and then in the last hour uncover it so that everything can get nice and brown. And then this is the final result. It looks delicious. The gravy, the vegetables, everything, and look at that meat. So tender, so delicious. Like, oh my goodness, this dinner was so good. And then after that, while the roast is cooking and everything, I got on to cooking my green beans. And those came out really good. And then here's the final result with the green beans, the mashed potatoes I made off camera. And then here is the plate, and that looks so delicious. Look at that gravy. Now we're jumping into dessert. Today I am recreating Ina Garden's famous brownie pudding. So to the bowl I am adding 4 room temperature eggs, 2 cups of sugar, and then I am mixing that up for about 5 to 7 minutes until it has a really nice creamy lighter color, and it pretty much like triples in size. So that's how I want it to look. And then I melt 2 sticks of butter, of unsalted butter, and then I'm adding some vanilla extract. The original recipe actually calls for vanilla bean paste, but I didn't have any at the time. That's okay. So right here I add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder to my mix, and it's coming together. It's smelling really good. After that, because the bowl wasn't big enough, we switched it to a bigger bowl, and then we added a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, shifted, and the butter. Then we mix those together so it's real nice and creamy. You can also add a pinch of salt to the mixture so it'll balance out all the flavors. Then you spray down your baking dish of choice and add in your chocolate pudding brownie mixture. Spread it out, and it's coming together. It looks really good. And then you also need to get a pan that's bigger than that so you can have a water bath, and you cook it in the oven for an hour. And then here's the final result of the brownie pudding. and it's actually giving brownie more than brownie pudding when I made it the first time. The second time, it definitely came out a lot more richer. If you want to see that, then definitely comment down below. But here's the final result, and it's so yummy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.